Alright, hello everyone. I'm changing my turn signal on my 2018 Jaguar XE. I thought I'd post this video since I couldn't find any other videos that talk about this topic. First of all, you just remove the wheel cover here, the spare tire cover, and pull that plastic. It's easy pull. As you see, no screws in here. And use a flathead here to remove one piece up here, just a clip. Okay, and after you do that, you just remove all these coverings, and you reach here, if you can see it, this white knob, and turn counterclockwise. Sorry, the other way, counterclockwise. So sorry, it's hard to make a video and work at the same time, but I think this could be helpful. So after removing this, just put it in a safe place and pull the headlight. You can push it from here, from the white one here, the white plastic piece. Push it a little bit and you have popped up like this, and here you go. Actually, you could use this video to replace the entire headlight or the bulbs. So the bulbs would be here, just turn and remove. So I'm about to disconnect these, about to disconnect the light bulb, and I'll be back in a second. Thank you for watching.